lot of you might be wondering, this design looks very, very familiar. Well, this is because it actually does, and this is more like a rebranded version of the Redmi A3. I'm going to be seeing if this entry-level device is worth your attention. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nico here. So Xiaomi recently launched its sub-brand, which is Poco, in Nigeria. So this is the official launching of the Poco brand in Nigeria. Now, for a lot of people that have probably used Xiaomi products for a long time, you would know that Poco already has a reputation in Nigeria for its good performance, and yeah, so they are officially here, and I have some of the device and I'm definitely going to test that out. So this review is definitely going to be a roadmap for those that want to try the Poco for the first time. Now, the Poco brand has 4 lineups, which is the M series, the F series, the C series, and the X series. Now, for those that might probably want to go for a more entry-level device, I would recommend they go for the C series or the M series. If you want a little bit of mid-range kind of level with good performance, then I'm sure the X series will do it. Then for those who are the flagship and the very heavy users, go for the F series. So this is just a roadmap for you to know when you are actually trying to dive into getting a Poco device. Today we're going to be starting with the most affordable series, which is the C series, and the device we'll be starting with is the Poco C61. Without wasting much time, let's actually see if this device is worth it. It comes in 3 colors, which is the black, the green, and it has a white version. Now, Poco isn't really reinventing the wheel here when it comes to the design, but it still features the circular ring setup, which gives it a sleek and symmetric look. For the material of the phone, the white and the black version are glass, while the green version is leather. Now, it has a plastic frame in the device. Let's set up the phone to actually finally see what is inside, and especially when it comes to the display. So yeah, this is just me doing like a couple of setups to get the phone up and running. The device boasts of a 6.71-inch display, which has a 90 Hz refresh rate. That's a feature you would usually see on a pricier devices. So yeah, kudos to Poco for bringing this at this price point. Watching YouTube and basically just scrolling through the phone was pretty decent, but I did notice a couple of lags when I was, opening multiple stuff, switching between different apps, but you could toggle between the 90 and the 60 Hz refresh rate. The display was pretty decent, the colors were vibrant, it had a very decent color production. Well, one good thing that they added is the Corning Glass 3, which is a smooth touch for an entry-level device. Looking at its price range, I'll definitely be mentioning the price at the end of this video, so you should stick to the end so you know how much it costs. It comes in 2 variants, which is the 364 and the 4128. The Poco C61 features a dual camera setup housed with an 8 megapixel as the main primary sensor with an auxiliary lens for the rear camera and a 5 megapixel for the front camera. And these are sample pictures I got with both cameras. This little beast is powered by a 5000 mAh battery and it supports a 10-watt inbox charger. Now, this might be slow compared to today's fast charging abilities on other devices. So if you definitely want something that is pretty decent, that can get your phone from 0 to 100% in a couple of hours, then this might be a device you might want to go for. The phone ships an Android 14 right out of the box, and we have got the MediaTek Helio G36 chipset. Now, this is decent for casual gaming and day-to-day multitasking. I tried downloading PUBG and just to see how far I can go, and it didn't let me install it. So let me know in the comments if you're using the Poco C61 or if it's something you don't have an issue with and you still go for the device. So for those that might be curious, this device does not support second space. So just putting it out there for those that might have this question.
Smooth, with no ghosting going on here. The Rokit Max AR Glass.
The moment we all have been waiting for, which is the cherry at the top, which is the price. Now the 364 is priced at approximately 110,000 naira, while the 4128 is priced at approximately 127,000 naira. Three devices were definitely launched in the Poco brand. We have the X series and we have the C series. Now I'm definitely going to be doing a video on each of these devices, so you probably might want to subscribe and watch out for this space. So what do you think about the device? Is it a budget-friendly win or does it leave you wanting more? Let me know in the comments below. Bye, and don't forget to subscribe.